Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator plunged into the negative area. Bitcoin has gained 8.1% in the last 3 sessions. The ATR has transitioned into low volatility territory. The price of gold has lost 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has transitioned into negative territory. The price of crude oil has gained 2% in the last 3 sessions. The Williams indicator has bounced upwards into overbought territory.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Oil settled up at a 9-month high, rounding out 7 straight weeks of gains as investors focused on the rollout of COVID-19 vaccines and a decline this week in the US dollar. London and southeast England may stay under tighter coronavirus curbs for some time. Britain's health minister suggested, adding that dropping plans to ease restrictions for Christmas was needed. The dollar took a breather going into the weekend after enduring a week-long beating that has pushed it below major support levels as its slide sucked in more short sellers keen to make an easy buck.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released on Monday at 10:00 GMT. The Australian retail sales Tuesday at 0:30 GMT. The German GfK consumer climate Tuesday at 7:00 GMT. The Australian private sector credit Wednesday at 0:30 GMT. The U.S. durable goods orders Wednesday at 13:30 GMT. And the Japanese unemployment rate Thursday at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.